By when? How long will this take to complete?
So I think we just started in September last year. So
Half a year more. Why so long? I don't think the technology now is available.
Negasiu Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke Sangma ulabu Mawnongrim bansnai ke National Program for Dairy Development NDPP hasnong mukla Langshore West Janty Hills District hakajingelang bala donlang UMLE ke Juwai Wailat biki Shilla UMDC ke Thanyu Ailat Boy UDC ke West Janty Hills District Ugarot LNS Dykes West P ke West Janty Hills Bikram di Marak Patkiwei Principal Secretary ke Tenat Veterinary ulai thu baya kaniga campus anchna ha kajinglot ka bakhandai Klur tingka lingba ka jingyo jingrap na ka National Program for Dairy Development but kani kanyarap hai ki kan thai kumju ru ki samla bansai ki kamri jingri
with your kind intervention and support now as a principal secretary of this wonderful
Wailat miki shla habakrana kani program ula kentu bat ai nuksai ki breu tang ban ri ban yo do henre ban yo ru ya kadut kabala ban snai ki judging ba baharukam.
The total sanction of the project is 973.03 lakhs, which is the Government of India's share is 896.03 lakhs, and Jaintia Milk Union share is 77.63 lakhs. Our district is seeing increasing number of dairy farmers and dairy cooperative societies. The land for the project was gracefully donated by ex-chairman of the Jaintia Milk Union, Shri late Parsari, and family at here in Mukla Langshore.
Nakaliang jong Conrad ke Sangma ulong ba sarkar kaya le banwan rai ki kam penroi habaro kiliang hapo ka jelak kamta makabay day bat kaban ai kam ai jam ya kisamla. Hagajuk por kani ka dairy campus kaban sashna hagajinglot ka ba khandai Klur tingka hapo news nam arja ar.
Societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 150,000 liters, and that is approximately 6 under a year itself. So I look forward to seeing that this project is completed by November 2022, so that the work and the production and the facilities that are supposed to be provided can be given to the people. I will urge my team of the Chief Minister's Secretariat to monitor the project every month, and I would like to see the progress report of this project and the photographs every month to be sent to my office. So I would request the Deputy Commissioner also to ensure that it is monitored and ensure that this project is completed before the end of this calendar year.